We have arrived at our room, so let's explore the room together. Mm. Yeah. Okay, this is a uh, two bedroom apartment. So one is for the master. This is the master room with the ensuite bathroom. These are the amenities. How the bathroom looks like. Okay, our luggage has also arrived. All right, thank you. Kapang Kap. Now we have the smaller sitting area. We have the complimentary water bottles, the safe, and the kettles, the laundry bag, and a mini fridge. This is for the luggage, and we will be putting that up later. This is the other room the ladies will share. Okay, they have their own bathroom. And this is where the coffee machine is.
Wait. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm back at the hotel, and we are in Hua Hin. Best Western Carapace Beach Club is a must stay, so we highly recommend this hotel to you. Do come, look at the facilities. It's a big hall. You look at the kids.